another experiment which is always fun. This experiment is called picking ice with thread experiment. For this experiment, you will need a glass of water, thread, salt, a bowl, and ice. First, you're going to fill the bowl with water. Now you're going to put in the ice. On top of the ice, we're going to put the thread. Now we're going to sprinkle the salt on top of them. Now gently pick the ice up. Guys, you can see that the ice is stuck to the string. This is called the picking ice with thread experiment. You guys can also try this at home. This is a really simple experiment. Bye. See you next time. Also, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Also comment. I will reply.